What's up, guys? Mitch from Farm All here, giving you a long overdue update on our custom hickory handle line. I'm happy to say we're running through some of the final pre-orders now. If you ordered back in April, the FDIC, we're running through every order as fast as we can. Our machine's running pretty much daily here. We're going to get those orders out to you. You guys seen some of our stuff online. We have launched our custom hickory handle line. You can go on our website right now, go to build a handle section under custom build, and you can actually build your own custom hickory handle. So now we have the added options of handles that really come in a variety of shapes and profiles, including lacing patterns. For instance, we actually added our straight handle option. These do only come in a combination profile, so combination is rounded at the top, octagonal through the bottom, but it is a straight handle option if you wanted it. Again, that's a single bit eye for all your single bit tools. It has an end stop, as always, an option for an end cap. We also have on there a curve. You can do a curved handle. This would be our curved hickory handle. This is a 28-inch combination, so it's rounded through the top, octagonal through the base. They all come with a variety of lacing patterns. This would be rings large here. So weave large, so we have large rings with a weave on there. A weave small. So these are slight rings, just to give you a little bit of grip. They stay small for scabbarding or sticking it in and out of your leather belt or tool belt. Again, this over here on this 𝐂𝐔𝐒𝐓𝐿, we have rings small, so it's just rings, give you a little bit of grip on there, would allow you to put it in and out of your belt as you need without getting hung up. Again, these fit a variety of tools. For instance, we take our combination handle. This is a 28-inch combination handle. It does have custom CNC engraving on there. You can add that again in the custom build section. It has a logo and text on there. We installed a green fire wrap grip. There's a green glow grip on there. It has been traveling with us, so it's gotten a little bit of dirt on it. But this is our green glow. And just so you can see, take a fox hat. It is a single bit eye, so it does fit in there. You would tamp that down, drive your wedges. Be a nice secure fit. You have a pick tool, right? Fit that right in there. Even a standard pick head axe. Drive that in, add your wedges. This one is a little bit larger, but that's okay. Like the 𝐂𝐒𝐒𝐓𝐿 here, we have 𝐂𝐒𝐒𝐿8. It does have a larger fit. Some of these eyes on these tools are not exact. There's a lot of variety in them. So when you do get your order, it will come with not only a wooden wedge, a circle wedge here, but it actually comes with their own axe lock line. This is a two-part striking tool epoxy for filling any voids or anything like that in the tool eye itself if it happens to be a little bit larger than your standard single bit eye. Again, guys, you are paying $65 for your custom handle. It comes in a variety of sizes, anywhere from 28 inches all the way up to 36, every 2-inch increments. You have your single bit eye collar shield system, or a patented system. It gives you 3.5 inches of overstrike protection, and it comes with a grip kit. So that grip kit is a $35 value. So you're actually paying $30 for a custom handle with tons of options, including we can do a lanyard mount, we can do a collar ring. That collar ring is that hand placement indicator just below the collar shield. And you're actually only paying really $30 for that custom handle. So I think it's a great value. Again, we're knocking them out as fast as we can on our machine back here, milling them out. They are custom made for you. So go to our website, farmall.com, go check out our custom build section. There you can custom build your own hickory handle for a single bit tool. Also, you'll find our custom build section, our new tools coming out, our Reaper and Mallet. So take time to go check it out. Thanks.